Come test drive the 2018 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.